ating Ama na siyang lumikha. Wala kami ngayon sa inyong harapan kung hindi dahil sa Kanya. Kaya naman ang lahat ng papuri at pasasalamat ay binabalik namin sa Kanyang dakilang pangalan. Graduation is not the end, but the beginning of the new chapter of our lives. To the underclass corps, thank you for being part of our cadetship. May you continue to live your remaining days here in the Academy with dedication and excellence. Do not forget the values and honor that we have to uphold. Keep on striving and beating yourself, because the best fruit that you can get is from hard work. To the Salaknib class of 2017, Mista, congratulations. The accomplishment of one is the accomplishment of all.